Every industrial recycling journey begins with materials others leave behind. Collected waste begins its transformation through organized industrial logistics. Efficient handling keeps industrial recycling moving without interruption.
Careful inspection protects both equipment and product quality.
Material separation determines the efficiency of every recycling process.
Removing contaminants prepares the plastic for clean recovery.
Every reusable material follows its own industrial pathway.
Consistent feeding keeps production stable and efficient. Powerful machinery begins breaking waste into valuable raw material. The first stage of transformation is complete as recycling truly begins. Clean raw material begins with removing years of accumulated contamination.
Mechanical cleaning removes the first layer of unwanted material. Powerful washing restores the plastic for industrial reuse. Intensive scrubbing prepares every fragment for precise separation. Density separation improves material purity before further processing.
Even the smallest metal particles must be removed.
Advanced sorting ensures only suitable plastic continues. A final rinse prepares the material for efficient drying.
Reducing moisture improves the consistency of every future process.
Now perfectly cleaned, the recycled plastic is ready for industrial transformation. Completely dried plastic is essential for consistent industrial processing.
Controlled feeding keeps every production cycle stable.
Accurate dosing ensures uniform product quality. Mechanical force begins transforming recycled plastic into a new raw material.
Carefully controlled heat creates a uniform molten polymer.
Final filtration protects every downstream process.
Stable pressure creates consistent production from start to finish.
The recycled material takes on its new industrial shape.
Rapid cooling locks in the strap's structure and strength. Uniform movement prepares the recycled strap for maximum performance.
Controlled heating prepares the material for maximum strength. Molecular alignment gives the strap its industrial durability. Heat stabilization locks strength into every meter produced. Careful cooling preserves dimensional accuracy. Constant monitoring guarantees production consistency. Every detail contributes to dependable industrial performance. Surface texture improves reliability during heavy-duty use. Precise tension keeps every production line perfectly balanced. Every meter is measured before reaching the finishing line.
The recycled material has become a strong industrial plastic strap, ready for final finishing.
Every master reel now enters its final stage of refinement. Controlled rewinding guarantees uniform reels for industrial customers. Precision inspection catches imperfections before they leave the factory. Even the smallest imperfections are carefully eliminated. A refined surface improves both appearance and performance. Exact dimensions ensure dependable packaging performance. Every detail is verified before the final reel is completed. Precise lengths meet the exact needs of industrial users. Complete traceability follows every reel produced. The finished product now faces its most important examination. Every production batch must prove its quality before shipment. The smallest surface defect can affect industrial performance. Strength testing confirms the material can withstand demanding applications. Dimensional precision ensures reliable machine compatibility. Durability is proven through repeated mechanical stress. Industrial products must perform in every working environment.
Scientific verification supports every production batch. Complete traceability ensures confidence from factory to customer.
Only approved products continue to the shipping department.
The finished product is now ready to begin its journey to customers worldwide.
Approved products are organized for fast and accurate distribution.
Every shipment begins with precise warehouse coordination. Secure packaging protects every reel throughout transportation.
Accurate documentation ensures complete product traceability.
Every shipment is loaded with safety and precision.
The finished product now begins its journey to industries worldwide.
And this is how modern factories produce industrial plastic straps from recycled old suitcases from start to finish. Innovation and recycling work together to create valuable products from discarded materials. Modern recycling transforms waste into reliable industrial solutions every single day.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.